Hey yo! What is up sa inyo mga katropa? Panibagong araw, panibagong adventure na naman. So for today's video, meron na naman tayong pupuntahan ngayon na isang on sale na shop. So ito yung Puma shop dito sa El Corso, Cebu. So if you happen na naghahanap ng mga Puma shoes, shop nila is on sale ngayon. I heard na 75% silang sale ngayon sa lahat ng mga shoes nila na available sa kanilang shop. So, kung gusto nyo, try to visit this shop or manood na lang kayo sa ating vlog ngayon.
Nice.
Dahil bibisitahin natin tong Puma shop na sinasabi ko sa inyo dahil on sale sila. Tingnan natin kung may nagustuhan kayo. So, gamitin natin tong special teleportation na chair ko.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So, in 3, 2, 1, teleport.
No, God!
In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God! Wow!
Yeah, boy.
Really come to party, I just came to get my money right. You really wanna party, you should know that I don't want to fight. You really wanna step up, you can step up and get up tonight. If I know I'm with it whenever, okay, you know it's right. Right, 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 right. Riding in that old school Chevy with the top back. Butterfly doors, watch you flutter when I stop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Stains dripping on the road, you can mop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, dripping on the road. Pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that, 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 drop that. Big stains dripping on the road.
So, tungo na tayo ngayon sa Puma shop. Let's try this. This is the last shop. So, na-visit na natin yung New Balance tsaka yung Skechers. At balita ko sa inyo is on sale sila. Yung New Balance is 50% off, then yung Skechers is more than 50% off. Yung nakita ko na mga prices nila. Just watch previous videos kung may nagustuhan kayo. So, wala muna tayong okay shoes vlog ngayon. Ito is yung price update ng mga original shoes na magpatatag. Yung mga hinahunting natin sa okay shoes, nandito na sa naka-sale sila. Katulad ng Converse, 50% off. So later, let's visit that later. So dito muna tayo sa main natin na target is yung Puma. Damn, Puma. Yung Puma na shop nila is on sale sila, but buy 2 to get 50% off. So kailangan ka bumili ng dalawang sapatos para mag-take ng 50% off. So let's try to visit this place. Dito sila. Yung mga classic na mga running shoes ng Puma. Tapos may yung tawag carbon na tight. Gaganda. Damn. On sale sila again, on sale sila, buy 2 to get 50% off. Ang daming sale ngayon dito sa El Corso. Yung target natin, tingnan natin kung meron ba silang Puma suede. Daming on sale sila. But you need to buy 2 to get 1. 4,000. Yung price is 4,000. 5,000. But kapag dalawa yung pinili mo, Tag 2,000 each na, ay 2,500 each. Damn, ganda na sa lamin. Naka-Adidas. Oh, brother. 4,000.
Tulo na lang, sir. Palit ta.
$4,000. Kapag dalawa yung binili ko, tag 2,000 each. Maganda yung mga sale nila na yun dito. Ano shoes. Yung Puma suede. So, igla pang babae ito. Yo! Puma suede. Pababae nga lang to. Pababae ito na design. Puma suede. Yung target talaga natin. Hinahanap-hanap natin yan sa ukay-ukay na hindi nga lang natin mabili-bili dahil wala. Meron tayong nakita noon kaso wala tayong pera. 5,000 lang. Mostly ring range nila is 5,000 up yung mga Puma nila. Ito, Puma suede. Ito na pala. Di ba? 5-3 ba yun, di ba? 5-2 na? 5-2 na? 5-3? Naka-sale sila 50% off din. Damn, gaganda. Yo! Puma! Yung ganito, yung Puma nila ganito na parang kuan. Yung Stan Smith na design. Naka-leather. 3,300. Minus 50% off din pala sila. So, 1,500 na lang to. 1,500 times 2. Pag bumili ka ng dalawa, 1,500 times 2, 3,000 lang. Damn! Pag bumili ka ng isa nito, dalawa nito, para kang bumili lang isa ng ganito. 50% off din sila. Shisha, wow! Yo, Puma suede. Yung collab ng Ferrari shoes 6.5. Asa yung Puma suede, boss?
Namin po mas sweet, sir, katong mga collaboration.
Collab na para sa
For example, kanang Ferrari.
Sa Ferrari.
Sweet niya. Ano, wala na. Natay BMW, ano eh? BMW. Yung client naman is na sweet.
Puro sila ka ng collab sa wala sa itong plain.
Wala, kasi may katong classics. Nasa may Sweet XL, kung babae.
Katong dito pikas. Kita ko. 50% off sa day?
Yes, sir. 50, sir.
Karon na may
whole month of January, sir.
Nice. Okay, akong kuan ba?
Kana, actually po this.
Suya. Sige, lamat ah.
Sige, sir.
Para talaga ba? 50% off sila then whole month of January din. If you try to visit this time, whole month of January, 50% off sila. Then, yung prices nila is dalawa. Ay, kapag bumili ka ng dalawa, then, change ka ng 50% off. So,
Oh, hi. Wait a minute.
parang ka ding bibili ng isa, pero dalawa yung mabibili mo.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh no! Oh no!
Diba?
What the fuck?
Kasi yung parang perfect for couple itong lugar nila. Ay, yung shop nila. Perfect for couple na kung gusto couple kayo, then may nagustuhan kayo sapatos na pang Puma shoes, then perfect siya kapag pumunta kayo dito. So, couple. Meron din silang mga garments, jackets, shirts, sports shirts, shorts, then meron silang garments apart. Then, kung gusto nyo pupunta dito, puntahan nyo na. Dito lang to sa ano na yun? Tumukan ko. Dito lang to sa mall, dito sa SRP.
The greatest vloggerist ever lived.
So, yung mga classic na mga Puma. Damn, gaganda ng mga shoes dito. So, kung may nagustuhan kayo sa mga sapatos na na-feature ko, so, try to visit this shop, Puma. Whole month of January sila pwede nyong ma-get yung 50% off, buy to 50% off nila. So, sheesh!
So, yun na nga guys. Abangan natin sa next video yung Converse na outlet store dito sa El Corso.
The greatest vloggerist ever lived.
I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga susunod nating mga videos. We'll see you again next time in 3, 2, 1, bye!
Really come to party, I just came to get my money right. You really wanna party, you should know that I don't want to fight. Everybody wanna step up, you can step up and get up tonight. Everybody know I'm with it whenever, okay, you know that's right. Right, 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 right. Riding in that old school Chevy with the top back. Butterfly doors, watch them flutter when I stop that. Ain't in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that. Stains dripping on the road, you can mop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, dripping on the road. Pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop, pop, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that, pop that. Aim in my palm, ain't no way I'll ever drop that, 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 drop that. Big stains dripping on the road.